So our next girl is actually, she always wins, she and another girl always win my unofficial award for Best Dressed Rocker Chick. The parents will know who I'm talking about. She is the fantastic, fabulous Bella.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, and it's her birthday. I so forgot it's her birthday.
Yay!
All my life, on my head, don't wanna think about it. Feels like I'm going insane, yeah. It's a thief of the night to come and grab you. It can creep up inside you and consume you. A disease of the mind that can control you. Close for comfort, oh, put on your brain lights. We're in the city of wonder, we're playing nice. Watch out, your mind just go under. You're trying to follow me out, so if you must falter, be wise. Your mind can disturb you. It's like the darkest in your life. Disturb you. I'm scared of you tonight. Disturb you. You don't know what you like. Disturb you. Disturb you. Bum bum be dum bum bum be dum bum bum be dum bum bum be dum. On the walls, it's like they're talking to me. Disconnecting all the calls, the phone don't even ring. I gotta get this all figured this out. It's too close for comfort. It's a thief of the night to come and grab you. It can creep up inside you and consume you. A disease of the mind that can control you. I feel like a monster. We're in the city of wonder, I'm playing nice. Watch out, your mind just go under. Gotta think twice. You're trying to follow the altar, so if you must fall to be wise, your mind can disturb you. It's like the darkness in the light. Disturb you. I'm scaring you tonight. Disturb you. You lose for what you like. Disturb you. Disturb you.
Let's hear it for the birthday girl, Bella.